So what we're going to do is we're going to use a ruler, go corner to corner, and this is actual watercolor paper, so you don't want to put your fingers all over it as much as you can, and you want to draw very, very lightly. So I'm just going to kind of draw a line where I think the center is. Turn the paper, and I'm going to go corner to corner, opposite corners, to find the center. Okay? So once you find the center, what you're going to do is you're going to come back and you're going to erase, you know, the extra lines, because you don't need those. And they might even confuse you. So erase those. When you're using a compass, you just slide the pencil into here and close it like that. On this side, there is a measurement right here that will tell you how big it is. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this really quick. This one's in centimeters. This side is in inches. So you want the side that has the inches. This is this particular compass. If you have a different kind of compass, the main thing is that you want your circle to be big enough that it kind of goes to each corner. So I'm pretty good right there. So this sheet is 10 inches. Just put the tip of your compass down onto where your lines intersected. Don't mark right away, but just kind of spin your paper and make sure that you're going to have room for your whole thing. And I'm just a little too far for my comfort. Okay, when you do your compass, there's a couple different ways you can do it. So you can leave your paper still and turn the compass, or you can turn the paper. Anyway, so that you can actually see what I'm doing, because we're going to dissect this, or actually break this circle into 12 different sections by using just the compass. So once you guys get your measurement set, you have to keep it like that. Do not move it for anything, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is I'm just going to do this like the cheater way. And again, I'm using a Sharpie. You're going to use a pencil, and you're going to draw lightly. So what I want to do is I'm going to come in, and I'm going to try to just create a straight line and bisect your circle in half. You can eye it pretty good and make sure that it's as straight as you can make it, and then you're going to do the other direction. So right now you're going to break it into 4. Okay, so once you have your circle divided into 4, just pretend it's a clock. So 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your compass. I'm going to just make sure it's the same size really quick, because I have kind of a cheap compass here. You want to keep it the exact same size all the way through. I'm going to put my compass at 3 o'clock and draw a line. And at 6 o'clock, draw the line. So what you're doing is you're drawing a line, just swinging it back and forth, and you're drawing it until it intersects the circle. Then I'm going to come to my 6 o'clock and do the same thing. Sorry, you guys, I can't draw any darker because my compass will move. So I'm just going to do this at all 4 points. Okay? You're just swinging the compass from right to left. And when you're done, when you've done all 4 corners, you're going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different lines. All right? Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler. I'm going to just use a pencil. I'm going to draw dark. You guys are going to draw lightly again. I'm going to say it one more time. So you're going to draw through the center. You want to be like where these 2 lines intersect. There and there. And you want to draw through the center of your circle. Okay? I hate drawing dark, but that's what I got to do. And you're going to spin all the way around. You're going to know that it's the correct line because it will go through, again, the center of the circle. The nicer compass you have, obviously, the more accurate you can be. If you have like a cheap compass, like the one I'm using, sometimes it can be a little wonky, and that's okay. I mean, you guys don't stress out. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect. It's okay. All right. All right. So now yours is going to be nice and light. You're not hardly even going to be able to see the lines, but I wanted you guys to see it. So now I have, you know, one. You're not going to do the numbering either, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.